In this session, we're going to learn the total number of memory allocated by this particular statement. Yamlog is a function which is used to allocate memory dynamically. And yamlog takes one argument, which is the number of bytes to allocate. Here I have used size of 100. Now, size of operator is applied on this numerical value 100. Since 100 is an integer, size of 100 basically gives me the size of an integer, which is generally 4 byte. Now this 4 byte is passed as an argument to malloc, which is going to allocate 4 bytes of memory. Let's try to understand this by visualization. I'm going to start the visualization here. And the statement you can just observe. This is basically allocating 4 bytes of memory. So this is pointed to an integer and this is a simple integer. And this occupies overall 4 bytes of memory, and I have not initialized it. That's the reason why we can see this question mark. Fine. Okay. Now, if you also want to observe the amount of memory leaked, we can use another online tool called as Online GDB. I'm going to run the same program, and you can just observe the amount of memory leaked is 4 bytes leaked in one allocation. If you had not applied this size of, if you're not applied the size of here, this would have allocated 100 bytes of memory. Right? Thank you.